Most real estate agents waste 2 to 3 hours a day doing manual tasks, while the top agents, the full-time high accountability agents, are using AI to buy back their time, produce more content, generate more leads, and stay years ahead of everyone else. In this video, I'm going to show you the must-have AI tools that will help you generate content faster, build your authority, generate more inbound come list me calls, and strengthen your personal brand without breaking the bank. I'll break down what each tool does, how to use it in your business, and give you real examples you can copy immediately. Let's dive in. Tool number one is the AI Bio Booster. Why should you use it? Well, most agents' bios are invisible to Google and invisible to AI. They're written like resumes, not ranking assets. If your bio isn't structured correctly, Google can't identify your authority, and ChatGPT has no data to recommend you. The AI Bio Booster fixes this instantly, and it's completely free. How do you use it? Go to joinbulletproof.com/AI-bio-booster and paste in your existing bio. The tool rewrites it using local SEO, AEO, GEO signals, keywords, and authority positioning. It transforms your bio into something that Google can rank and ChatGPT can confidently use to recommend you by name. Here's the real example. Lisa rewrote her bio using the free tool, and within days, ChatGPT started mentioning her for best realtor in Wentzville, Missouri, and top agent in Wentzville. Once AI understands who you are, it can finally recommend you.
About a year and a half ago, I met Bulletproof, and they just grew my business. Just grew my business. I can't even tell you how many people call me and say they found me on Google. Now, I get about 2 to 3 calls a week. I get new listings, new buyers. I don't have to do anything anymore, basically. And one of my last clients, actually, I said, "How did you find me?" And she said, "Through ChatGPT." Don't miss the opportunity with Bulletproof. I will tell you that. Don't miss it. Don't worry about the monthly fee, because it's going to come back to you way more than what you're spending.
Tool number 2 is Opus Clips, an AI short form video editor. Now, why would you use this tool? Short form videos are mandatory today, but editing manually takes hours. AI editing tools turn a 5-minute long video into 10 to 20 polished clips in seconds. How do you use this? Well, you simply upload the video. AI finds the strongest segments. Then it adds captions, hooks, zooms, and emojis. But here's what most agents miss. You must title your clips with the keywords you want to rank for. For example, Realtor in Scottsdale, Arizona explains, or Phoenix Real Estate Agent Market Update, or Best Realtor in Dallas, Texas says. Your titles feed Google and ChatGPT the authority signals that they need. Another real estate example, one agent turned a 7-minute long video into 16 clips. He titled them with his city and keywords, and within 2 weeks, his Google profile visits doubled. AI didn't replace him, it multiplied his authority in Tucson. Tool number 3 is the Bulletproof Voice AI for local service ads. Now, why would you use this tool? Well, most agents lose deals because they miss calls, especially LSA calls. Your Bulletproof Voice AI solves the #1 LSA problem, which missed calls equals lower rankings, and missed calls also equal lost clients. Google rewards agents who answer consistently. Voice AI makes sure you answer 100% of the calls. It delivers higher LSA confidence scores, more approved leads, better rankings, 0 missed opportunities, and live transfers only when the lead is motivated. How do you use it? Well, you connect your Bulletproof LSA number, the Voice AI answers instantly, it screens, qualifies, and then live transfers. You stay focused on appointments and closing while your AI handles the chaos. Here's a real example from Dallas. A Dallas agent missed 7 LSA calls in a month. After Voice AI, he answered 7 calls, screened 7 calls, 3 appointments, and got 2 listings. And because every call was answered, he climbed the LSA rankings. Now, where do you go to get it? You can learn more and get access at joinbulletproof.com. No other AI in real estate can do this. Tool number 4 is Canva AI. Now, why use this tool? Well, every agent is now a media brand. You need market updates, social posts, flyers, email graphics, and thumbnails. But the real advantage with Canva AI, it keeps your brand consistent across every platform. Consistent colors, consistent fonts, consistent layouts. This is a massive trust signal to Google and AI because it reinforces a unified identity. You want to use Canva AI to auto format social posts, generate branded templates, create thumbnails in seconds, remove backgrounds, and keep your visual consistent everywhere. Another real example is one of our agents in Texas uses Canva AI for all of our marketing updates, listing graphics, and thumbnails. Her brand became highly recognizable and her engagement doubled. Tool number 5 is ChatGPT when used the right way. Most agents use ChatGPT for captions and emails, but the top agents, they use ChatGPT for something far more powerful: to rank number 1 on AI search and get inbound clients with the AI SEO system. Now, why would you use ChatGPT this way? Well, AI now answers who's the best realtor in my city, or who should I list with, or who are the top agents near me. These are listing ready leads. ChatGPT will not choose you unless your authority is structured correctly. How do you use it? You train ChatGPT to understand your identity, your service areas, your reviews, website structure, Google business profile, and cross-platform consistency. When these signals align, ChatGPT becomes your most powerful inbound lead generator. A real example is Kimberly, one of our Bulletproof clients. She relied solely on her sphere for 20 plus years. After activating the AI SEO system, she now gets direct calls. Hey, ChatGPT recommended you. Can you come list my home? This is happening right now in multiple markets.
Feels really good, and it feels good because my profile is getting more exposure on Google organically, and that's what feels really good. And I'm just amazed by the number of phone calls that I'm getting from Google. And for the first time, I'm actually have Google and AI as a pillar of my business.
If you want to see exactly how we help realtors dominate ChatGPT and rank number 1 to get more come list me calls, click the video on the next screen. I'll walk you step by step through the proven framework that puts agents at the top of AI search results. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there.